Hi there, welcome back. So when you signed up with Advertising Boost, there should have been a login for affiliates and a login for merchants. You're going to want to sign up with both. Don't worry, you're not going to have to pay the $49 fee twice, just the one time after 7 days if you decide to keep it. Now, the next step you're going to want to do is go on to Advertising Boost and go to Resources and ClickFunnels landing pages. Now you could just see here all the funnels they have for all the different kind of businesses. It's just amazing. We're going to go to digital marketing where they give you two different options. You can choose either one. I'm going to choose this one. I already loaded it up. So then it'll take you to this screen here, and then you're going to want to view the funnel after it gets finished loading. Now it's going to take you to this page here. Now, the first step that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually, you're going to want to go on to your auto email, your get response. Okay, we're going to do that step next. So you go to your get response. You can see that what you're going to want to do is go to contacts and go to create list. Now you're going to want to create a list for this campaign. You can call it anything you want. Let's go for, let's just put, um, let's see, advertising slash bait. You're going to have to do something like that. Okay, so it created that list. So then what you're going to want to do is you're going to um, go to settings. Sorry, guys, just bear with me. It's been a long time since I've really set up a brand new list. So you're going to want to, your list name is advertising. You're going to want to give your list title, just put advertising boost again. Your list description, you want to put something like give away vacation incentives. Okay, now you're going to want to choose your category, or you don't even have to choose a category actually. Um, Now, keep in mind, it's going to put this address in here. You're going to have an address. That's just the law. Most people put a P.O. box, but you're going to have to do something. So once you're going to do that, then you're going to save your um, general settings. Okay, we'll come back to that later. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up here and go to integrations and API. And then you're going to want to go to API right over here. And you're going to need to generate an API key. And you're going to have to enter anything. It's weird. It's 15 to 20 letters and numbers, and you can do anything you want. GBL. I'm just typing in anything here. I have no clue what. I'm just typing. Okay. So then you generate and you copy that. Now you're going to want to go back to your ClickFunnels and you're going to want to go up here and to integrations. Okay, I already have it done, but let's see if it'll let me do another one. It'll take you here, add new integration. You find your get response, integration nickname. We'll just put, um, oops, hello, advertising boost. And then you're going to want to paste your API key, and then you'll add your integration. Okay, so it's successfully done. So now what you're going to want to do is go back to your funnels and just click, it should just be the one funnel that you're going to have, and go to edit page. Now, this is just you can do whatever you want to on the screen. You can um, edit it any way you want to. It's really a neat platform. Well, I'm just going to take away the phone number because no one likes to enter their phone number. So I'm just going to put that little trash can there. And you want to delete that element. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to settings and integrations because you're going to want to tie this to your get response mail list. So you're going to select your integration, and mine is going to be the advertising boost one. And then you're going to you're going to want to add it to your campaign, your existing campaign, select your list you just made, and success, you're connected. Now, you're going to want to save that. Oh, and then hold on. Go ahead and do this while you're in here. Go to SEO metadata. You're going to want to name it. You can just do join today, join advertising boost today. And you don't have to do a description. You don't have to worry about any of that. So go to save. Okay, that saves all those settings. Then you're going to want to exit out of here and go to your thank you page. And we're not going to edit this yet. We're just still going to tie this into our opt-in page. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this here, and you're going to want to copy it, go back to your opt-in, go back to edit page, and you're going to want to go up to settings and general, and you're going to paste it right there. And now what you're going to do is you're going to hover over your call to action button, and you're going to go to the little settings thing, and you're going to set the action. So you want it to say submit form. That's checked. That's the right thing. That's the right place. Okay. So this pretty much is done. So the next thing we're going to do is go back to your thank you page, and we're going to do some editing on it if we need it. Okay, so that's what it's going to say. And so you're going to want people to go on into Advertising Boost to check it out. Now we're going to talk about a way where it's going to automatically generate the vacation voucher, but we'll do that a little bit later. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to well, no, I think we want to add a new row. I always have to play with this. Y'all just give me just a minute. Add a new row. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add a new element. You're going to want to do a call to action button. Find it here, right there, button. And you're going to want to edit it. You want it to say, we're just going to have to say, click here. Set action. Now you're going to want to go to the website URL. Now, what that's going to be is you're going to go back to your Advertising Boost, the affiliate page, not the regular one, not this one. You're going to want to go to this one. Okay, see that's just from 3 days, guys. Let's see. Then you're going to sit there and copy your affiliate link, and you're going to want to go back to there. This is where you are going to paste it. Okay. Now, what I usually do then is you go back here to settings. You're going to have to integrate again, and you're going to want to select the same thing you did before. Okay, and then you're going to want to go down to general here and then put the URL again, and it should still be in there. Paste it. Okay, now it's telling me a warning. It's giving me a warning here. Let's find out why. Always make sure that has the address right there. Set action. So it didn't take. Okay, there it goes. See? Make sure it has that before you get out of there. And then you're just going to want to save it. Okay. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to get out of there and we're going to want to actually make this automatically tie into the vacation vouchers. So what we're going to do is go back to your opt-in, and then we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go all the way down here to webhooks, and you're going to want to manage your funnel webhook, and you're going to make a new one. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is you're going to go back to Advertising Boost, go to Resources, go to Integrations, and click Funnels. And you're going to want to enter this URL. But first of all, you're going to want to enter the correct, like right now, this says a number 1. We don't want number 1. We want Las Vegas. So count down. That's going to be 6. And you're just going to click on Las Vegas and you'll see where that automatically puts it in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this. I'm going to go back to your ClickFunnels and place that right there. And the event that you're going to put in is when the contact is created. Okay, so we're going to create the funnel webhook. Okay, so that's done. Now let's go back. Okay, so that's all that is to this. So let's go back. So now we have our funnel built. Let's go back and make sure our email is all where it needs to be. Okay, so we got that. So let's go back to contacts and go back to our list. There shouldn't be anything else that you need to do because it should automatically do everything now. It should put everything, you're gonna capture the list, which, by the way, you can use later on for email marketing. So it'll put it all in here. And they have wonderful training videos here at Get Response to tell you how to do everything. They're really good. So yeah, that's it for right now. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do is watch the next video. Now, I didn't do this video because I found a better one. This guy is amazing. He explains Udemy, and he explains everything about solos and from start to finish on how to buy a solo. But before you finish out with that video, don't finish up your solo yet because we're going to have to put our email swipe and link in there. So yeah, go to the next video, and then after you finish that one, then we'll go on from there.